Want your car to look freshly detailed without paying for professional services? In today's video, we're reviewing the best premium car detailing kits that deliver outstanding cleaning, polishing, and protection for every surface. From complete all-in-one bundles to pro-level accessories, we've selected the top kits worth your money. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to learn more and find the best deal. Number 1 is the proper premium car detailing brush set. A 6-piece lineup featuring 2 boar hair brushes, 2 ultra-soft brushes, and 2 synthetic bristle options. Each type is suited to a different task: boar hair for delicate paint and leather, ultra-soft bristles for air vents, and synthetics for scrubbing wheels and emblems. Coming from a respected name in detailing, the set delivers reliably professional results. That said, 6 brushes may not cover every unusual surface or specialty job. Overall, it's a solid, versatile choice for thorough, well-rounded detailing. Number 2 is the Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Detailing Kit, a 9-piece system designed to restore and protect leather seating in upscale vehicles. Its pH-balanced cleaner works deep into the leather's pores, lifting away grime and natural body oils, while the conditioner brings back softness and shields against cracking or fading over time. Backed by a formula trusted among professional detailers, this kit focuses purely on interior leather care rather than exterior washing or paint protection. It's an excellent pick for anyone prioritizing the upkeep of their car's leather surfaces. Number 3 is the Chemical Guys Professional-Grade Premium Microfiber Towels, a 6-pack of generously sized 24 by 16-inch cloths, widely regarded as the benchmark in the detailing community. The ultra-soft fibers safely lift away wax, sealant, polish residue, and quick detail spray without risking swirls or scratches on paint. They're built to hold up through repeated washes while staying soft, and their strong absorbency makes drying and buffing faster. The catch is that maintaining their performance depends on proper laundering, since careless washing can wear them down. Still, for detail-minded owners, these towels are a dependable, high-quality pick. Number 4 is the GASLIKE 56 pieces car wash cleaning kit, an all-in-one bundle built around a foam gun that attaches to any standard garden hose for easy pre-soaking and rinsing. A long-handled brush extends reach to roof lines and side panels without straining, while the kit rounds out with towels, brushes, and various accessory tools for full exterior washing. An adjustable sprayer with quick connect fittings makes setup simple. The main drawback noted by users is occasional leaking at the hose connections if not tightened properly. Even so, it's a well-rounded option for comprehensive exterior care. Number 5 is the TTRCB 27 pieces car detailing kit, a well-rounded package that combines brushes, drill brush attachments, microfiber cloths, and polishing accessories. Its drill compatibility allows tough areas like wheels and the undercarriage to be cleaned mechanically rather than by hand, saving time and effort. The set includes brushes of varying density for both interior and exterior use, along with polishing pads, making it a true wash-to-finish solution. The trade-off is that powered scrubbing requires a drill and some technique. Inexperienced users risk over-scrubbing and damaging surfaces. For those comfortable with power tools, it's a comprehensive, efficient option. Number 6 is the Fitosy 4-pack car clay bar, designed to lift contaminants that washing alone can't remove, such as tree sap, bug residue, and industrial fallout. With 400 grams total, there's enough product for multiple vehicles or several full detailing sessions, and the clay's formulation is balanced to grip debris without harming the clear coat. It's a key prep step before waxing or sealing for the best finish. One thing to note, a lubricant is needed for the clay to glide smoothly, so you may need to budget for detailing spray separately. Overall, it's an essential paint prep product. That wraps up our picks for the best premium car detailing kits. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect kit to keep your vehicle looking its absolute best. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and let us know your favorite detailing kit in the comments. Be sure to check the links in the description below for more details and the latest prices on every product.